Hey guys, Sabanim Jamie, Webster's Academy of Martial Arts. At both of our locations we have 3 flags hanging in our schools. The American flag, South Korean flag, and the Tongsudo Murukwon flag. We're going to discuss each flag and the parts and symbols of each flag. Okay, on the American flag, most of us know that the 50 stars stand for the 50 states. The 13 stripes stand for the 13 original colonies that later became states. The blue represents the battlefield, justice, and vigilance. The red represents courage, hardness, and the bloodshed, and white represents peace and purity. Okay, if we move over here to the South Korean flag. Now in Chinese you would pronounce this as yin-yang, but in Korean it's pronounced um-yang. It means the same thing. It's going to be opposites, and together they represent balance. So if we have a plus here and a minus here, a positive and a negative, or up, down, left, right, big, little, inside, outside, and so forth. Okay, from here we have these bars represent heaven or air, earth, fire, and water. And in Oriental culture, they believe that was the 4 main elements that make up the universe. All right, if we move on to the Tongsudo Murukwon flag, the T represents Tongsudo, which means the way of the Chinese hand. Murukwon, Kwan means school, so it's your art and your school. Here we have the symbol for Tong. It means Chinese or ancient. Here is Te, which means hand. So Tong Su is like saying China hand or ancient hand. The symbol in the middle in Korean is called Pyonga. In Japanese it represents the term Bu, where we get Budo, like a martial art warrior. Okay, we have the green, which represents Korea. The 6 red dots, which stands for the 6 main styles of Tongsudo, with Murukwon being one of those styles. We have the fist, which represents brotherhood. Okay, so as you can see, these 3 flags, we live in America. We practice a martial art that comes from South Korea. And there are many martial arts that come from South Korea, and Tongsudo happens to be one of the main styles we practice at the Webster Academy. Thank you.